Welcome to Sports Card Sheets. Today we have the T206 American Tobacco Company White Border Master Checklist. This is for sale on Etsy for $4.99. It is a great tool to collect your T206 cards. It includes all the players. They'll be here on column A, all in alphabetical order by first name. Column B will include all the photo variations for certain players. On the top, we've got top row, we have all the different products. And in column or row 2, we have all the different back variations. The Y's in the cell represent that the player has a card in this particular set with back variant. So to keep track of your collection, you could type in the copy you have. You want a raw copy, just type in raw. You own a PSA 10 copy, just type in PSA and then the grade. We also have SGC, BGS, and CSG represented with different color variants. On the bottom here, I have a couple other just templates you can use for collecting your cards. If you don't want to do the whole master set, you just have a couple other templates. And then you also have another template here if you like this one better. So check it out on Etsy, $5 or $4.99. And you guys have a good day.